Hello, my lovely and wonderful fams. How are you guys doing? And welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are keeping well. I hope so. In case if you're new here, my name is Jen Abby and you're highly welcome to my channel. And please, if you have not subscribed, highly subscribe, turn on all notification icon and relax, all right? Because in this channel I teach you how to make simple, very simple hairstyles for kids. Very simple. In fact, the kind of hairstyles I make here is hairstyle that a novice, a new beginner in hair making can easily make, all right, on the child. So it's actually very easy. There is nothing complicated. I don't make it complicated. Exactly. So I make sure that it's something that when you look at it properly, you can easily recreate it, even do better than I do on your own baby, okay? So in case if you're new here, make sure you relax and watch. Very simple and also cute at the end of the day. And also in this channel, I am starting a journey of growing my natural hair from short to something big. So if you want to know how it's gonna play out, make sure you relax and watch. So without wasting of your time, let's get it started. All right, so as you can see here in the video, I'm just dividing the hair into smaller parts the way I want it to look like. Okay, it's always very important that you do that so that you will have the idea of what the hair is gonna look like at the end. So I like to divide the hair into parts and how many I want it to be. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Like I said, the hair is very simple and easy. I don't like to make hair that is complicated or hair that will take long, because kids don't have time for that. They don't have that patience. All right, so that's why I go for something simple, but very cute at the end of the day. So here what I'm actually saying is, to when I'm done separating the parts, I like to use Shine and Jam to clean the parts, all right, to look neat. So what I'm actually showing you guys here is the wool I'm going for. This is a young wool, the bigger young wool. I don't know whether you have seen it before, but it's a bigger one. But if you don't have it, you can go with the small young wools. You can still get the exact same thing. All right, so in here I counted 9 strands of yarn wool, and I used 2 out of that 9 to cross it. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I used 2 pieces of yarn wool to cross, you know, it's 9 in total. So when you remove 2 from 9, it's gonna be 7, right? So the 2 is what I used to cross the remaining 7, because that's how I'm gonna use. As you can see now, I'm using it to thread the hair. So I place the wool on top of the hair and then start threading it. Okay, so don't thread it too tight so you don't harm your child. Guys, these hairstyles can last for months if you do it properly, and it helps the hair to grow and to grow to length. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm doing right now. Take your time and make sure that you don't keep gap as you are threading. Close up all the gaps, all right, as you're threading. Take your time, especially if you are new. So that's how you keep on doing it to get to the exact length you want it to be. So another thing, as you can see the way I'm threading, if the thread gets shortens, I just take 2 again from the wool and keep on threading. So that's basically what you do. Okay, keep on doing the same thing until you get to the exact length you want it to be. Okay, you can do it short, you can do the hair long. So just watch exactly what I'm doing. Once you get to the exact length you want, you just secure the tip, and that's it. All right, repeat the same thing in all the remaining ones. And okay, if there's other explanations I need to explain as we go along, I will do that. All right, so relax and watch closely and learn this simple hairstyle. It can help your baby's hair to grow so fast. And also, if you are the type that doesn't have time for hair making, this hair is the type of hair I think you should go for, because it lasts so long and it still look neat at the end of the day, and it's one of the protective hairstyles you can make your baby girl. All right, so hold on while we go along, all right, to show you how I make this hair to look so beautiful at the end of the day.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Okay, so this is what the hair looks like now. We are done. So you can go ahead and pack it this way if you like it this way, but I just like to beautify it to make it look more beautiful. You know, it's a child. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this hairbands, all right, to beautify it at the roots. The hair is already, you know, tightened properly from the roots. So what the band is doing is just to create beauty, you know, create this colorful beauty. Nothing much it's doing for for the hair because it's well secured. So this is basically what I'm doing right now. So before you cut out the excess wool at the tip, as you can see there, what I'm doing, you just remove 2 out of the wool and then cut out the excess ones. All right, the 2 there is what we're going to use to secure the fold, which I'm going to show you guys in a little while. Okay, so just do the same in all of them, and I will explain what the need of that wool when the time comes. Okay. So you fold the hair, as you can see in the video, fold it upwards and then fold it, keep on folding it until you get to the end of the fold. So watch exactly what I'm doing. Once it ends, then what will remain is the 2 strands of the wool I asked not to cut off from the tip. That one will remain, and when you get to that point, you use it also to, you know, secure the fold so it doesn't unravel. Secure it properly, because if you don't, it will unravel, and that will make you to lose the hair before time. So if you do it properly, the baby can carry the hair for a very long time, for months because the more it's getting old, the more it's getting finer. All right, so secure it properly there. exactly what I did. After which I also use a hairband, you know, to beautify the where I secured it, okay, as you can see in the video, to make it look more beautiful. But it's optional, you don't need to do that, all right? But I just want to, you know, create more beauty to the hair. Okay, so that's exactly what you keep on repeating the same thing until you are done with the hair, all right?
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
So to apply gel, okay, I like to use water first, okay, to make the hair wet before using gel, so that when it dries it doesn't flake. This is what I do all the time, okay? When you put water first before you apply your gel, because the water have soaking properly into the hair, it will, you know, make you not to use too much gel, and when it dries it doesn't flake. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now, okay? So this is the outcome of the hair. As you can see, it's very beautiful, and anybody can make this hair. It's so simple, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to, you know, like, comment, share to your friends that don't know how to make hair to start with this, okay? And don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that already, and watch out for the next one, okay? I remain your your simple hairstyle baby, or whatever you want to call me. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.